Yo, what's up you guys? So today working on the Miata. We gotta swap out these ugly OEM seats. They're actually pretty ugly underneath. We're gonna put a bucket seat. This $40 used Cypher whatever brand, and then these PCI rails with the side brackets, so hopefully they fit. Again, this was 40, and then I got this 80 bucks Opera Facebook. So first thing, to make everything easy, I'm going to remove the hard top. So just hook it from here. Also, I'm working on some brackets. A video will come in soon for this. Hopefully it gets done before our first track day. Yep. Alright, so as you can see, now we have all this open space to work on, to remove the OEM seat. Kind of gassed out carrying the hard top over there. Yep. So these are size 17, and I don't know why, but these are loose. Yeah, I'll do something about that. So my Miata has the rear par bracket, whatever you call it, removed. It's the mod they do for taller people. So I do have brackets underneath, and that's why I need the jack, so I get enough room underneath to get a hold of the nut underneath. So this is what I'm talking about right here. I have this bracket, and then I have another one on the other side. You see that nut right there? That's the other one. Sucks doing it by yourself, but it's gotta be done. So I'm using a size 17 wrench and a size 17 socket as well. And a shout out to my girlfriend getting me this for my Christmas gift. So if you still have yours plugged in, make sure you unplug this. Boom. So we got a problem here. I don't know if it's because I don't have that part right here where it's supposed to sit. It's hitting the transmission tunnel right here. Aside from that, bucket seat don't fit. So as you guys could probably see, don't fit at all. I mean, I can stretch it. I still gotta figure out the transmission tunnel issue. You could like bend it out the way, cut a part out. We'll see. Damn you thing. Alright, well, today was a fail. Kinda tired now. I'll have to look for another seat rail, side brackets, and see if I can make it work or modify this. So catch you guys on a different day. Hey, what's up, you guys? So we're back here doing the bucket seat installment. This one didn't work out. This cheap $40 one, but I got a nice Sparko Sprint up there, and what we're doing right now is, let me get closer for y'all. So as you can see, it quite don't fit that well yet. I still need to hammer some more of the transmission tunnel. You can see I'm already hitting it right here. Just keep massaging it until this fits just right. So before, that other bucket seat didn't fit on the PCI bracket, but came to find out they're made specifically for the Sparko Sprint. I'm just gonna swap out these side bracket bolts because they're a little too long, and these are just right. So I got the seat mounted on there pretty good. Now I just have to adjust my positioning, and next thing will be a harness seat belt.